Hi, friends. So, today for reading, what we're going to talk about is using a five finger retell. One, two, three, four, five. And so, when we use this five finger retell, the whole point of this is to use our hand as a tool or a reminder for what we should include when we're doing a retell at the end of a book, right? So, yesterday we talked about always wanting to do something at the end of a book, and we talked about identifying and maybe drawing our favorite scenes or characters. But one thing that we also want to do at the end of the book is try to retell it. So, retell means not that I'm rereading the book again, it just means that I'm stopping when I'm done with a book and thinking, what, who were the characters? What were they doing in the beginning, middle, and end? Was there a problem, a solution? And so on. And so today we're going to talk about that five finger retell. And as you can see, I have a little reminder poster up here for us. So today we're going to focus on the characters, which is our thumb, the setting where the book or story took place, and and if there is a problem in our book, a solution, or the events and the solution. But today, what we're really going to focus on is character, setting, beginning, middle, and end. So those are our five fingers. Go ahead and do it with me. Characters, setting, beginning, middle, and end. So those are our five fingers, those five things that we always want to include when we're giving a really good retell. And so what we're going to do is we are going to read the story again, Ollie the Stomper. And at the end of Ollie the Stomper, I'm going to model for you what a five finger retell looks like. All right, Ollie the Stomper. This is Ollie. This is Gossie. This is Gertie. They are goslings. Gossie wears bright red boots. Gertie wears bright blue boots. Ollie wants boots. Gossie and Gertie tromp in the straw. Ollie stomps after them. Gossie and Gertie romp in the rain. Ollie stomps after them. Gossie and Gertie jump over a puddle. Ollie stomps after them. Gossie and Gertie march to the pond. Ollie stomps after them. Gossie and Gertie hide in the pumpkins. I want boots, Ollie shouts. Gossie and Gertie stomp to Ollie. Gossie gives Ollie a red boot. Gertie gives Ollie a blue boot. Ollie hops to the barn. Gossie and Gertie follow. Ollie stomps to the piggery. Gossie and Gertie follow. Ollie stares at his boots. These boots are too hot, shouts Ollie. Ollie kicks off his boots. Gossie kicks off her boot, and Gertie kicks off her boot. Let's go swimming, Ollie shouts, and they do. So now that I'm done with this book, am I just going to go ahead and throw it away? No, right? I don't ever want to just throw away a book and grab another. I want to do something at the end. And so today that means retelling the book. So what I need to think about is I'm going to show my fingers to myself and say, okay, five finger retell. Who are the characters? Well, in this book you have Ollie and Gossie and Gertie, and they're outside, kind of seems like on a farm. And in the beginning, so right here's my beginning. In the beginning, a bird named Ollie, he started noticing that two of his friends, Gossie and Gertie, were wearing red and blue boots. Then in the middle, he was stomping around after them. Then he shouted that he wanted boots, so Gossie and Gertie shared theirs. Then at the end, they were stomping all around together, and then they took off their boots and they decided to go swimming. The end. So that's my retell, friends. It's actually very simple. Mention who the characters are and kind of where they are the best that you can, and then what happens in the beginning, the middle, and the end. And here's a tip, my friends. Sometimes it can be a little hard, especially for a longer book like this, to remember perfectly what happens in the beginning, middle, and end. Go ahead and take a look if you need to. Take a peek again at the pictures, right? It'll help jog your memory of what happened throughout the book, right? We don't want to reread the whole book to our friends or on our video here, but we do want to, if needed, use the pictures as a tool to help jog our memory. That's a-okay to do. All right, so what you're going to do today is you are going to read a book and then stop and use your 5-finger retell. Characters, setting, beginning, middle, and end. All right, my friends, I'm super duper excited to hear your retells of the fabulous books that you choose today. Have an awesome rest of the morning, and I'll see you guys soon.